welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another college outfit of the week OOTW. I have done so many of these for college, so I think I'm on my 25th possibly. If you want to see all of my college outfit of the weeks and what I wear to class, I have a playlist with all of them that I will have listed down below for you guys to check out. I'm actually still at home. I had a 7-week winter break, so I will be back at school on Monday. These are still outfits that I'm going to be wearing when I go back to school. I'll be repeating them. So my hair is in loose waves. I'm wearing my Honora pearl earrings. You guys know I wear my faux giant pearls all the time, or my gold studs, but I've just been wearing these little baby pearls lately and I really like them. I am styling these trousers and I'm kind of making it more casual because I'm just going shopping today, so I don't want to look too dressed up. What I did is I took this Shein, Shein top. It is this balloon sleeve turtleneck sweater, and I just half tucked it into these trousers. And these trousers are check print, have a little stretchy waist on the back, which is so nice because they fit really well. These are from Burberry, so super inexpensive look, and I didn't want to make them too office looking. I'm also wearing my Elizabeth and James star ring. For my shoes, I wanted to style it so it's a little bit more casual, so I just paired it with these white ASOS sneakers I've had forever. What's up, you guys? So today I am going to dinner. I wanted to dress up a little bit mainly so I could style some new arrivals I have, some new pieces that I got. Actually, I'll start off with the outfit and then show you the accessories. So my top is from Shein, and it's this really cute, ooh, there's a hair. This really cute bell sleeve knit tops. The only thing is that sometimes the white turtleneck, I feel like I'm like a bobblehead, but hey, whatever. My pants are so cool. They're from a brand called Monki. They're super cute. I got them off ASOS. They're these high-waisted mom jeans with a zipper detail. They're on sale right now, so I will have a link down below. I'm keeping the color palette really soft with cream, light denim, and my white booties. As you can see, they zip all the way down. You could literally unzip them all the way up if you wanted to, but I don't know why you would. I don't really like it like this, so what's so cool about these is that they're really versatile, so I unzipped them, and I think they look better with the booties because it has a little bit of a flare. For my booties, you guys have seen these in my last how to style ankle boots video, but they are this square toe white cream booty, and I just paired it with these H&M little gold hoops. And that's the outfit, and I will see you guys tomorrow. What's up, you guys? I'm gonna share with you my outfit again. My hair is just in a low pony. I had my hair curled yesterday, just putting it back and down. I have on Honora pearl, just like my small pearl earrings. So this sweater is from Abercrombie last year, but I'll find something similar, but it's a really thick gray turtleneck sweater. It's longer in the back, which is great. It's perfect with leggings, which are a college girl staple. My leggings are from Zella. I got them off of Nordstrom, but these are the boots I'm wearing. These are some Burberry boots. I also got these off of Nordstrom. They're perfect for snow because they're really thick, and obviously they're like waterproof and all that kind of stuff, so there's a lot of slush on the ground, so I'm just wearing these. And I'll probably just throw on my black North Face puffer coat like the basic girl I am. And that is my outfit for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. What's up, you guys? So today's look is a casual look, and I'm going to show you two coats because I have worn this base outfit, this top and jeans, twice now, but with two different jackets. Okay, so I'm wearing this sweater, which is from Shein. It has these cute little snap gold sleeves, and I'm wearing these boyfriend jeans, which are from Abercrombie & Fitch. I just got these. They're brand new little well, they're not boyfriend jeans, they're girlfriend jeans. High rise, really light denim. So you can see they're really shredded. What do you guys think? And they have like a little tapered bottom, which is my fave. My Target Furry Loafers, my favorite shoes. I've worn it with two different coats, and it has a different look, so you can definitely pick a third piece or accessories and style your hair differently, and it'll make a simple look like this completely different. I went to go visit my friend at school for her birthday, and so we went to dinner, shopping, and so she had fuzzy teddy bear coat. I wish there wasn't pink lining, but it is super cute. It's very textured. And I also went shopping with my mom, and I posted Instagram in this outfit, so I will insert that here. You guys have to check out my Instagram page. I've been posting every other day or every day just outfits. This is a jacket. It's just a long blazer style. I actually wore this with my hair up in a high pony when I wore it. I'm not filming it on the day I actually wore it because I forgot to film it. So hopefully that was semi-helpful, showing it to you guys with 2 different coats and everything. That is it for today's look, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's outfit. What is up, you guys? This is the last outfit of the week. I posted an Instagram of it, and I wanted to share with you guys on my YouTube channel. For those of you that don't follow my Instagram, this girl that I was friends with in 7th grade got me this when she went to Paris. Never worn it. This was the first time that I wore it, and now I'm obsessed with it. They're in trend, so I'm glad that I kept it. So I'm also wearing this Aviator Jacket, which is from Zara. This is the ultimate Instagram girl outfit with my Gucci inspired belt, this Aviator Jacket, and my beret. And I'm just wearing a plain black ribbed sweater. I'm wearing my Topshop black Jamie jeans with ripped knees, fave pants. Of course, I can't go an outfit of the week without showing these. And my Topshop booties. They are just little pointed toe short booties that I got off of Nordstrom. They're no longer available, but I'll list some similar. So that is it for this video. If you guys like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It would really help me out. And be sure to leave a comment with what your favorite outfit was. And that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.